In this video tutorial, we're going to show how to use the Touch7 spot color swatch libraries for Adobe Illustrator and InDesign. So assuming that you have downloaded the swatch palette from the members area on the website, there are a couple of ways you can load the palettes in. So first of all, if you can open up the folders for your application programs, so for example inside Adobe Illustrator, and go into the presets folder and then choose the language that you're working in. So we have multiple languages because of our developing team, but for example if you're international English it'll be ENGB, and go inside and then inside swatches and basically copy your palette into here. So we have the Touch7 spot color palette there. To do that, inside InDesign, go into the InDesign folder, go into presets, go into swatch libraries, and then paste it into there. Give it your password. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. The other way you can do it is to manually load it in. So for example in Illustrator, go to the window menu, go down to swatch libraries, go down to other library, and then direct it to your swatch palette and click on open. To do that inside InDesign, go inside the InDesign file. We can do it from the swatches window, so go to the flyout menu, we'll go to load swatches, find the palette, click on open, and you can add them into your document. So working with the palette's really straightforward and simple. It's really about making designs using the predefined spot colors for when you're designing with the Touch7 photo plugins, or also with the Touch7 neon color guides. So really straightforward. So what we're going to do is demonstrate how to use the palette inside Adobe Illustrator, coloring up these two event tickets. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to, in this case, window. We've already placed it into the correct folder on our computer, so we can go to the swatch libraries and it will be in here where we can load it in. We'll first of all load up as this little thumbnail view. I'm going to change that to large list view. I always recommend switching on persistent so that if you then restart your computer, the palette will look exactly the same. It won't reset to its default setting. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to colour up this artwork. So this is currently CMYK and I want to make this orange, an orange, fluorescent, bright neon orange from the Touch7 neon colour guides. So you'd go to the colour guide, you open it up and it'll tell you the CMYK percentage to design with. So first of all, go to your appearance box. We do recommend you have these open from the window menu, so go to appearance. We also recommend having attributes open as well. So what we're going to do here is we're going to input the colour values based on what our artwork tells us from the swatch book. So the swatch guide, the colour guide, is going to tell you the exact CMYK percentages. Well, that might be, for example, 10% magenta and, I don't know, 90% yellow. So that is what we're going to be doing. So to speed this up, we're going to go select same fill colour. I'm going to do 10 and 90 on that one. Just select on this one as well. We'll come back and do this text in a moment. Now once we've done that and we've built it, that's the colour layer. Now we need to add on the neon pink. So the colour guide again will tell you the pink percentage. So I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to click on the neon pink from my swatch palette, and then I'm going to switch on overprint fill. You can also do that the other way around. You can do it from inside the fill layer, go to opacity and switch on multiply. And obviously put in the correct percentage based on what the book tells you. So it all really depends on what colour you're actually outputting. So you can see here we can create all these different colours using percentages of that neon pink. If we want to just use the neon pink on its own, then for example this ticket here, which is currently just in magenta, we can go in here, select the same fill layer, we'll select the same fill, just hit that on the pink. Now if you were working with our other system, the Touch7 Photo ECG, you might be working for example on say an HP Indigo device that has the orange, green and violet inks. Then if you're working with that, then obviously you can specify the colours to be orange or green or violet, whatever you want to do. And I'm going to do the same for this one. I'm just going to colour these up. Let's come back to this one because we didn't set that text on that one. So that one was going to be 10 90 with the new fill layer over the top, and that new fill layer was the neon pink, and we set that neon pink at 50% for this one for the test that we're doing, and switch on overprint. So now we've got it all set up, and because that text is in there we can change it to whatever we like and it will keep the settings for us as well. And that's how to do it. It's really quick and simple. It's a great way to be able to design with the spot colors for the Touch7 neon or ECG color systems.